Today, we're discussing the world of car audio, where the right subwoofer can completely transform your driving experience and turn every commute into something special. Imagine your daily drive not just as a routine, but with every beat and note coming alive around you. In today's video, we're putting two top contenders head-to-head, the classic, powerful, passive subwoofer and the sleek, modern underseat powered subwoofer, each with its own strengths and style. This isn't just about shaking your license plate or rattling your windows, it's about finding the perfect bass that matches your car, your listening habits, and your budget. Do you crave earth-shaking, window-rattling bass that you can feel in your chest? Or are you after a richer, fuller sound that simply makes your favorite tracks come alive? Maybe you drive a big SUV with plenty of space, or perhaps you're in a compact coupe where every inch counts. No matter your ride, we'll help you make the right choice. It's not about which subwoofer is better in general, it's about which one is better for you. We'll break down the key features, installation process, sound quality, space requirements, cost and power needs, so you can make an informed decision. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly which subwoofer fits your car, your music taste, and your lifestyle. No more guesswork. The right sound system can make any car feel brand new, breathing new life into every drive and every playlist. First, let's define our two contenders in the world of car audio. When it comes to upgrading your car's bass, you'll usually find yourself choosing between two main types of subwoofers, each with its own strengths and quirks. A passive car subwoofer is the traditional route, a big, powerful speaker housed in a custom box powered by a separate amplifier. This setup is what most car audio enthusiasts picture when they think of deep, booming bass. With passive subs, you get to pick every component: the subwoofer itself, the enclosure type, and the amplifier. This means you can tailor your system to your exact taste, whether you want earth-shaking lows or a more balanced sound. Want thunderous bass that rattles the windows? Go big with a 12 or 15-inch subwoofer and a ported box for maximum output. Prefer tight, punchy lows that blend seamlessly with your music? Opt for a smaller 8 or 10-inch driver and a sealed enclosure for more precise bass response. The modular approach lets you tweak and upgrade endlessly. Swap out amps, try different boxes, or even add more subs as your tastes evolve. Now let's meet the challenger, the Underseat powered subwoofer. This is a compact solution for those who want better bass without the hassle. This all-in-one unit combines a subwoofer and a built-in amplifier in a single compact design. It's engineered specifically to fit under your seat, making it perfect for smaller cars or anyone who values a clean, uncluttered look. There's no need for a separate amp or a giant box, just one slim package that slides out of sight and stays out of your way, keeping your car's interior looking neat. These powered subs use smaller drivers, usually around 8 inches, and focus on adding punch and depth to your music without taking up valuable space in your trunk or cabin. They're not built for SPL competitions or to shake the neighborhood, but they do a great job of filling out your sound and keeping your trunk free for groceries, luggage, or whatever else you need to haul. Powered, compact, and easy to install, these underseat subs are the go-to choice for convenience, space saving, and a quick upgrade that doesn't require major modifications. So, passive subs offer raw power and endless customization, while underseat powered subs deliver simplicity, stealth, and practicality for everyday drivers. Two very different approaches to better bass, one built for enthusiasts who love to tinker, the other for those who want great sound with minimal fuss. Which one fits your needs and your lifestyle? Let's break it down and see which subwoofer is right for you. Installation is where these two really part ways, and your choice can shape the entire experience. Whether you're a hands-on DIYer or someone who prefers to leave it to the pros, the installation process is a major factor to consider. Passive subwoofers are a true project. They require a dedicated spot in your trunk for the subwoofer box, a secure location for the amplifier, and plenty of space to run all the necessary wiring. It's not just about finding room, it's about planning the layout and making sure everything fits together safely and neatly. Running power from the battery, finding a solid ground point, and carefully routing signal cables through tight spaces. It's a multi-step process that takes time, patience, and the right tools. You'll need to remove panels, drill holes, and double-check connections to avoid noise or electrical issues. For many, this means either booking a professional install or dedicating a full weekend to a DIY adventure. It's a rewarding challenge, but it's not for the faint of heart, especially if you're new to car audio. Underseat powered subs, on the other hand, are much simpler and designed for convenience. They're compact, lightweight, and don't require nearly as much planning or space. The amplifier is built right in, so you just slide the unit under a seat, connect a few short power and signal wires, and you're almost done. No need to tear apart your car or run cables from front to back. Many powered subs accept speaker-level inputs, letting you tap into nearby speaker wires. No need for long RCA runs or complicated signal routing. This makes installation even more accessible for beginners. The whole process is less invasive, less intimidating, and can often be finished in a single afternoon, even if you've never installed car audio before. It's a great entry point for anyone looking to upgrade their sound without a major commitment. If you want a quick, approachable upgrade that won't take over your weekend, the Underseat sub is the clear winner for ease and speed. Passive systems offer more power and customization, but they demand more effort, planning, and sometimes a bit of troubleshooting along the way. So, choose your project level. Do you want a full custom build that you can tweak and tune, or a plug-and-play solution that gets you bass fast? Either way, you'll end up with better bass and a more enjoyable drive. Next, let's talk about how these options actually sound. Here's what matters most. How do they sound? Passive subwoofers with their big drivers and custom enclosures deliver deep, powerful bass you can feel in your chest. You can fine-tune the sound, tight and accurate with a sealed box, or loud and booming with a ported one. The result? Maximum depth, volume, and clarity, perfect for bass lovers and audiophiles. Underseat-powered subs have a different goal. They fill in the missing low end from factory speakers, adding warmth and punch without overwhelming your music. The bass is punchy and controlled, not earth-shaking. You won't rattle the neighborhood, but you'll notice a huge improvement in fullness and balance. For most drivers, this is more than enough. If you want to feel every beat, go passive. If you want a balanced, everyday upgrade, Underseat-powered subs deliver. Both make your music come alive, just in different ways. Next, let's see how they fit in your car. Space matters. Space is precious, and Underseat-powered subs are designed to save it. They tuck neatly under a seat, out of sight and out of the way. No trunk space lost. Perfect for small cars, sports cars, or anyone who needs their cargo area. Even in big vehicles, keeping the trunk free is a huge plus. Passive subwoofers, on the other hand, are space hogs. Their large enclosures can eat up half your trunk, sometimes more if you go big. You'll sacrifice utility for performance. For some, that's worth it. For others, it's a deal breaker. Also, don't forget the extra weight from a big box and heavy magnet. Underseat subs keep things light and practical. Think about your daily needs before you choose. Now let's talk power. Power is another big difference. Passive subwoofers use separate amps, sometimes pushing 500, 1000 watts or more. That means serious bass, but also serious demands on your car's electrical system. High-powered setups may require a better battery, upgraded alternator, or thicker wiring, costly and complex. Underseat-powered subs are built for efficiency. Their built-in amps usually draw 75 to 150 watts RMS, easy for any stock electrical system to handle. No need for upgrades and no dimming headlights when the bass hits. It's a true plug-and-play solution. If you want big power, be ready for extra work and expense. If you want hassle-free bass, Underseat subs are the way to go. Next up, what's all this going to cost? Let's break down the prying. Underseat-powered subs are usually the budget-friendly choice. One purchase gets you the speaker, enclosure, and amp. Just add a wiring kit. Simpler installation means you can probably DIY, saving on labor. Passive subwoofer systems cost more. Multiple components, bigger amps, custom boxes, and pro installation add up fast. Entry-level passive setups often cost more than premium underseat units. High-end gear and electrical upgrades can push the price way up. If you want the best, be ready to invest. For most, Underseat subs offer the best bang for your buck. Decide what fits your budget and your goals. Now, let's wrap it up. So, which subwoofer wins for you? If you want easy installation, space savings, and a budget-friendly upgrade, the Underseat-powered subwoofer is your best bet. It's perfect for daily drivers, small cars, and anyone who wants better sound without hassle. Models like the Kicker Hideaway or JBL Bass Pro SL2 are popular for a reason. They deliver. But if you crave maximum bass, deep rumble, and total customization, go passive. It's the choice for true audio enthusiasts willing to sacrifice space and spend more for top-tier sound. Iconic subs like the JL Audio W7 Rockford Fosgate P3, Sundown Nightsata series, or Scar Audio ZVX series paired with a powerful amp are in a league of their own. The choice comes down to your priorities, practicality or performance. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick for your car. Thanks for watching and enjoy the ride. See you next time.